This is a Freecurve stairlift, but it was parked in the wrong position on the track and the batteries didn't charge. Now the batteries are dead. So I've disassembled the outer cover, and if you go around the back, this is the underside of the track, you will see there are two charging points that you're supposed to park the unit on, and the unit itself has two copper brushes which poke out and connect, but these are in the middle of the two charging options. There's another pair up here, so I've got some wire from the top charging point which runs to the top brush. Underneath a bit of plastic is the second wire to take the second charging point to the second brush, and I've just tucked that under the plastic there, and I'm going to arrange for the top bit of copper to touch on the brush, and they're separated by the plastic. I've just disturbed it. I will replace it again when I have a hand free. But that is the principle.